The Z Connect Festival, a month of music, dance, and unforgettable moments at the Galleria Mall, Bangalore 17th February 2025. The Galleria Mall was abuzz with energy as it hosted the ultimate Z Connect Festival, a high-octane celebration of Gen Z brands, creativity, music, dance, and non-stop fun. From 7th to 23rd February 2025, the mall transformed into a vibrant hub where youthful, energetic crowds gathered to explore and engage with their favorite Gen Z brands like Snitch, Niemann's, Zook, Bewakoof, Kika Active, Dermaco, Aqualogica, and more, all under one roof. This event offered an unparalleled space for self expression, where attendees could celebrate life and discover the latest trends across fashion, tech, entertainment, and lifestyle.
Good evening, gentlemen. My name is Mark. I am the Center Director of the Galleria Mall, Yelahanka. I am here to tell you what is Gen Connect all about. The Gen Connect was put together by the Galleria Mall Marketing Department. It was put together to create a whole new mood for the generation, the Gen Zs as we call it, and to give them a thriller-day festival. This is a 17-day long festival where we have brought in brands that are liked by the Generation Z. Some of the brand names are Zook, Niemann's, we have Outer World, we have Snitch, we have Aqualogica, we have Derma, we have Kika Active, and many more to cater to the needs of the Generation Z. Apart from that, we've also collaborated with a lot of artists, a lot of festivities of dance and the activities that the Gen Z would like to take part in. I could name a few that right now we have what is going on in the mall is known as a music collaborated painting activity which is going on. We've also had a lot of DJs coming and teaching the Gen Zs how to do the art of DJing. In the future we are going to have something known as Asana, which is the Gen Zs can come along with their pets and do yoga asanas. We are also going to have a skateboarding activity coming up in the future. We are going to have what is known as a kind of wild kind of painting. We call it graffiti for the Gen Zs, so that they can come and learn the art of graffiti, and many more activities like this which are lined up for the next few days to come. So I'd like to invite all my Gen Z customers to come back and enjoy this festival and participate in it and make the best use of it. While you also shop, you can go back home learning a new talent, acquiring a new talent, acquiring a new skill. We have brought so many artists on board to share their talents with you so that you can take back home something along with you while you shop also. Thank you very much. Have a great day.